It has been great to see all of you develop your writing space. You have all your tools ready. It's time to start writing. Remember this list? This list has all the things I'm an expert at. I am an expert because I know all about dogs, making beds, table tennis, doing dishes, and plants. I'm going to look at this list and the topics and choose one topic that I know all about. I think I'm going to go with plants. So on my list, I'm going to circle plants. I'm going to use this stencil to help me create my own graphic organizer. I took a new sheet of paper that I attached to my clipboard, and I placed my stencil over it. I carefully draw the squares that will help me write and organize my facts. My graphic organizer is ready. What is a fact? A fact is something that is true to everybody. When you write about the way you think, feel, or something you believe in, that's an opinion. When you're thinking of facts about your topic, make sure it is something that is true to everybody. I'm going to use my fingers to help me rehearse my facts about plants. My fingers will help me count my facts and organize my thoughts. If you need some help, you could use the words can, are, and have. Plants can grow in different places. Plants are green, and plants have roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. I'm now going to write the facts we rehearsed together in my graphic organizer. I'm going to use a sticky note to write the name of my topic and place it in the middle. Do you remember what my topic is? Plants. That's correct. This will help my readers know what my topic is all about. Plants can grow in different places. Plants are green. Plants have roots, stems, flowers, leaves. There are many different kinds of plants. It's your turn now. First, circle a topic from your list. Next, make a graphic organizer. You could use a stencil to help you draw your squares. Then, rehearse your facts using your fingers. You could use the words are, can, and have. After that, write your facts in your graphic organizer. Finally, post a photo of your graphic organizer to Seesaw.